This is PHP Laravel script built on the Visor Lab. So this is the Visor Lab. Check the script, the library script. So this is completely PHP Laravel script where they used in the PHP and Laravel the latest version. Also check the base. This script is the issue when the loading automatically showing the loading. So I have solved the issue. So in our present script, so you can check this is their script is here is loaded. So documentation is this, and FAQ and overview and game and by now everything. So all game is here, just loading, and we have solved it. So I have updated this is the I have updated. So check our button, we have developed this system, and from there is a huge space, so we have decreased the space and showing fine. Also updated the banner or image, showing the fine image overlooked. Also the better updated the platform from the old. So our code is also updated here. So any PHP Laravel script or any Visor Laravel script, though I stick came the PHP Laravel script, any this step came in the PHP Laravel, we can solve it for you. Any updated, any changes, I can do it for you super fast speed within the 24-hour service. I guarantee you that within 24 hours I have solved your issue. So get the fastest solution for me, for you. You can contact me from the detailed description contact number in the WhatsApp. I will solve you within the super fastest solution for you. Best of luck.